Hi guys, hope you're doing well and looking after each other, as it's a priority at this moment in time. Right, today I'm going to show you how to make these small little hanging hearts. Now they're really easy and simple to make, and probably it'd take me about 5 minutes to make each one, so it's a quick craft to do. Now on my other video I'd made a huge stick heart on that one, so if you want to check out that video, that will be here. So if you click there, you'll be able to find it. I've got lots of other different videos on there as well, which are some a bit complicated, some quite easy. But if you want to know how I made these, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's given you a little bit of inspiration so you can have a go. If you want to have a bit of more inspiration, then you can go and check out the rest of my channel, because there's lots of different items on there and different projects that you can do. If you've liked it, give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press that notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next project. Take care everyone.